Do you want to know how to make your own lipstick? It's easy, quick, and simple. And I got you, so check it out. Hey babies, welcome to my channel. It's Kimberly, and today's video is going to be another awesome one. I'm going to be showing you guys some lipstick hacks and how to make your own lipstick. It's going to be fabulous, so stay tuned for that. My name is Kimberly. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and a little bit of fitness. Little bit. But slam that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it so you get notified every Friday the moment my videos go up, because I post a new video every Friday. But for now, enough talking and let's get to the lipstick. Okay guys, so let's get this started. First of all, I should say I am dead tired right now and I hope I don't look it. I had an hour and a half of sleep last night because I was up late editing and I just couldn't wait to get it done, and I was really into it, and when I get carried away like that, you know, there's just no stopping me. So before I knew it, it was already time to get up. And I was like, oh, dang. But I'm filming anyways. I don't care. We're just going to do this and we're going to get through this. So let's move right along. So what you're going to need are empty lipstick containers that are, well, not close to empty. So pretty much you're like digging in there, trying to get out whatever's left in there. I dug some out of my drawer and I had a couple, so I'm going to be using those today. You can also use lipsticks that you want to change the color of, or you want to mix with other colors. I got you. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is how to make your own tinted lip balm. You know, for those days when you just want a little color and you don't want a lot, or you're going to the gym but you don't want to look completely worn out and you want a little color on your lips. This is it. You're going to take that empty lip tube with a color that you like, and you're also going to need a spoon. So what you're going to do, I'm going to try to show you guys. You're going to scoop out that lipstick, all the lipstick here. You're going to scoop it out. So I'm just going to go like this. And I'm using like a Q-tip, and that's like a Q-tip with all the fuzzy stuff removed. So just the stick end of the Q-tip. And I'm going to take all, wow, there's a lot in there. Look at that. I'm going to put that all in the spoon, on top of the spoon. There. And there's some more in there. I'm going to empty the whole thing out. Look how much is in there, guys. That was all going to go to waste. Because you guys know you don't dig in there and get the last little bit out. You just go and buy a new one. So I dug it out completely. And I put all the color. I put all the color on the spoon. The next thing you're going to do, you are going to take a little itty bitty bit of Vaseline or petroleum jelly. And you're going to put it on the spoon. So I got a big jar here. You do not need a lot, just like a little bit, like this much, and just add it in there with the lipstick. Okay, there. About a third of the color of the lipstick that you put on here in Vaseline would be sufficient. Now, for the next part, you're going to have to be a little bit careful. You're either going to use a candle or a lighter. I have a lighter. And you're going to light the whole thing on fire. Now, be careful with this, because whenever you're working with fire, you want to be careful. So you can also use a candle if it's easier, but for filming reasons, I'm just using a lighter. So of course, it's not working right now. I don't smoke or anything. So this is like, how do you work these things? Oh, there we go. We got it. And do not do this in public, guys, because, well, for obvious reasons. And you're just gonna burn it all. Oh, and it goes really fast, guys. Look at it. Okay. So the whole thing melted and it's all liquid now. I'm gonna take the Q-tip and the back of the Q-tip and I'm just gonna stir it a little bit so it blends and mixes. Because it's all liquid now, but you wanna blend everything so everything is fully melted and blend it with the Vaseline. It's all liquid now. Then you're gonna take a container, any container. I like to use a contact lens case because it's nice and small and it's perfect. And you're just gonna pour it in there. So here I go. See how liquidy that is? It just pours right in. There, gorgeous. And you're gonna let that sit so that it hardens and that we end up with a gorgeous tinted lip balm. And we're gonna let that sit for a minute or so while I go ahead and show you guys the next thing. This is a color from Bourjois and it's one of my favorite lip colors. And today I'm gonna make it into a whole new color because it is empty. It is so empty that the tube is broken and I used it completely because I love this color. But yeah, so we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna scoop out the leftover lipstick and put it on a spoon. You just scoop it. This is like a really dark purple lipstick. Then I'm not gonna add Vaseline to it because the Vaseline gives it that more transparent feel with a little gloss to it. We don't want that. We want this to be lipstick. So we are going to add another color. Yes, I'm gonna add a bit of this color. It's from Almay Cosmetics and this is another favorite of mine and it's almost empty. Taking my good old Q-tip and I'm just gonna try to chop a little off. Oops, wow, that went really fast. Okay, and I'm gonna add it with the dark purple color on the spoon. We're gonna cook the lipsticks. So we have both colors on the spoon and we're gonna light it up. Okay guys, so that was it. It was super simple, right? Let me show you guys the final result. This was the Petroleum Jelly with the lip color. That's how it came out. And let's try it on. Oh, I love how it just gives you like a little hint of color. Feels soft. We like, yay! Next, we have the lipstick. So that looked like this. I'm gonna have to use a lipstick brush. Of course, you can do this with any lipstick colors. We are liking it. I absolutely love this because this is how you get the most out of your expensive lipsticks, out of your drugstore lipsticks. This is what you can do with them. Don't toss them, make your own. Well, that was my video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you learned something new, and sound off in the comments below to let me know what you thought of this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check back on Friday when I post another video. I'll see you guys soon.